Setting up file templates and default folders every time you start a new document, you probably build the same things again, the same margins, the same heading, the same layout. Windows can hand you a finished starting point instead, and almost nobody uses this feature. Here's how it works. There's a hidden folder in your user profile called Templates. Anything you place inside it appears in the new menu when you right-click in File Explorer. So create a document exactly as you like it. Save a copy into that folder, and from then on you can right-click, choose New, and get a fresh copy with all your formatting already in place. It works for text files, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. While you're organizing, set your default save locations too. In Settings, System, Storage, Advanced Storage Settings, you can choose which drive new documents, music, pictures, and apps go to. And each application has its own default folder setting worth checking once.